Hello everyone, I'm here just to show a demo that one of my water pump went down and was broken. I bought a new one from Amazon, just got here yesterday. It's called Vivo Home, so I'm gonna open that up. And here is Vivo Home how to use menu, and this is the bag for the water pump when you're gonna put it inside. I'm gonna take everything out here, right? So it came in with some pump kit as well. This is for the connector, so different size that you can try, right? And we open this up, down here. See what comes with this. Alright, this way. Alright, here's the pump. This is what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna try to find the connector that make sure that go all the way in. Okay. And just see this clip here, pull it out so it close all the way. So that way you don't get any deep pierce. And so that's how the net look like. But before I do that, I need to attach attach the pipe first. That's gonna go in through the pump, because I cannot really cover the whole thing yet, but it's gonna be after I connect the pipe first. So this is the PVC. We're gonna go through, okay? And let me pull this one out, because that's where we're running the wire on the other side. This is the wire that I make a hole, and when I connect the power cable, it's gonna come out and go connect into my other outlet there. Okay? You can leave it stand out, right? Leave it stand. Right? Okay, so let me just connect this first. Like that. Good thing that you can turn around, all the way around, okay? Make sure I have enough something that can bend. All of mine have to be on top, but let me see how it's gonna get the gap on there. Okay. So now I'm gonna tie this first. Let's see if we can find a fit. Okay, Troy Pausing. Alright, that's this how this is gonna look like. I mean, that's make sure that you clip this all the way in, so that way the deep press doesn't get in, and I cannot. Basically, there's no hole that I can get the PVC out, so I have to leave it stick like this. This should be good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in. So you see that the connection that's coming from the PVC, and this is gonna go like that. Right, oh, it's going in now. Make sure I have enough gap, and then now I'm gonna just push it in. Oh, this might be too big too. Hey, button. All right, you see a little bit tight, so I already push it in now, and just make sure this is stay in the middle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug it in. It's got a little bit cold in the water, right? So I gotta put this inside a little bit like this so it doesn't steam out. Okay, now I'm gonna plug it in to see how the pump works. And let me go tie this on this way, and this going on the other side. I will glue everything this back later. Good. Make sure this is going underneath inside. So this is good. Well, I should go later on. I will put it back. I have to go underneath that, but let me just test it out first.
We'll be right back.
Okay, first I'm gonna plug the power.
Oh, wow!
Lower?
Yeah.
Okay, much lower. The pump is very strong. Okay, now you can see the waterfall coming through now.
Yep.
Okay, that's pretty big stick on the pump, but I'm gonna turn this off back. And later I'm gonna plug everything out here. Because as you can see, okay, Troy, come and bring the water, come and bring the camera this way. Okay.
see.
Yeah. Okay, here's my the water pump
Wait.
control. Oh yeah, I turn the camera straight as well. I told you, bend. So here's the. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the water pump controller for my waterfall. Because I don't want to get too high; it's gonna splash all the way around the fountain. And I just put it low, and this adjustment I can go full or wall. So right now I'm on wall control, so that way it doesn't get too much splash out there. And that's all my controller for the lightning. And it's convenient that I can control through dusk to dawn. But this one I didn't control. It's basically just let it run all day. Oh, make sure. Look at them back, okay? Like this. Oh, off I can off as well. There you go. Okay, now go back over there. Let's check, make sure it's still running.
Let's go.
Right, you can see. Now I'm gonna go underneath this back. Earlier was I put on top, so it's working now. So I'm gonna put the wire underneath here. Later on I will glue this back, seal this glue out because the old water pump was bad. So I'm gonna go around like this, around this wire. Oh wait, got it wrong. I have to go on the other way first. Second. Yeah, gonna go inside, go like this way. Okay. Might space out. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull this. What's over here? This is a long wire. Okay, working out. Make sure be careful that the wire might get into the cement and scratch the wire. So just as long as go in here. Oh, got more of my thing. I need to move this back this way. Oh, wait. But I forgot to hold this out. To the other side. Yeah. Yeah, oh, this pump going this way. Okay, flip this side. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can pause it, good. Pause it.
Okay, now.
Alright, so now let everything flush in back. And later on I will seal this just to make sure that everything works good before I seal out. So if everything's all good, I can start. I need to put the chlorine in the water. I will get that out in the water a little bit. And that's it for the water pump. About like 10 minutes, do it quick, but 15 minutes at least. So now the new water pump I put to my old pump now. My old pump has been like about 5 years already. So when that just a couple of days ago, and this pump is probably about like $60, still not bad. And that's a good price. And I bought a 3-year additional warranty with Amazon as well. So hopefully that can last for some time. Alright, thank you for watching, and any questions, feel free to comment.